Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on OPPO A3 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy, then you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes. Then click delete account. And your account should be now removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account. Then click sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. And click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click next to recover it. And I have to enter my password now. And then click I agree. Now click accept. And as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.